Hey guys, let's see how to clear the YouTube history on Android. Very simple. You just need to come here, open the YouTube app, come here to this icon, U, and here you see the history. You just need to come here to the three dots, hold on it, and then there's this option, remove from history. Super simple. Or you can come here to view all, and from here you're gonna see your history. You can also come here to the three dots and remove from watch history. And the last option here is just come to the three dots on the top. And from here, you can pause your watch history. It's not gonna log in the history anymore, or you can clear all watch history. Okay, so basically you can delete any history that you have here, and it's super simple. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.